Most of the time you see me cooking and sharing recipes with you, which is what I love to do. I want you to be able to get the most out of the products you already own and maybe help you discover a few new ones. But lately, I've been getting asked about how to buy Pampered Chef, and there are quite a few different ways to do that. We even have a new one that just started recently. And so I thought, why not make a video and share with you all the different ways that you can purchase Pampered Chef and a few to avoid. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you which one is my favorite. If you're new to Pampered Chef, the reason I love it is the quality and that it also makes cooking so much easier. I use a lot of my products multiple times a day, including my air fryer. I love that I can just quickly prep up a meal, put it in the fryer, and it's done in a few minutes. I also own products that I've had for about 20 plus years. I did acquire my mother's apple peeler core, and it still works perfectly to this day. I haven't had to sharpen it or even replace the blade, and it still peels and cores the apples perfectly. So when I'm looking for a product that my mother doesn't have, there are 7 different ways you can buy Pampered Chef, and I'm gonna go over them real quickly with you. First way you can buy is directly from the Pampered Chef website. You just type in pamperedchef.com and you can purchase from there at any time. I do not recommend this way. I recommend purchasing directly from a consultant's website. It looks exactly like the Pampered Chef website, except it's connected to a consultant. The benefit of having a consultant is that they're there to help you with questions before you purchase and even after you purchase. Should any issues arise, they're there to help you take care of it, and it's not going to cost you any extra. So let's take a look at the website. You can tell you're shopping on your consultant's website because their information is going to be on the right side. If you don't already have a consultant, I hope you consider using me. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have, and it does help support this channel. So while we're on the website, I'm going to show you a few different things. If you already know what you're shopping for, you can just come over here and type in a keyword for it or the item number if you already know it, and it'll pull it right up. If you're not sure what you're looking for, you can just go ahead and click Shop All. It's going to go ahead and break every item down to different categories, so you can select the category you want. If you wanted to shop just by price, it breaks it down by price, and it even breaks it down by the customer rating. If you like to sit and flip through a catalog, go a little farther and you have Shop the Interactive Catalog. It's the same as a paper catalog. You can just flip on through looking at all the different products. Come across one you would want more information about, you just move over top of it and select it. It's going to bring you right to the Pampered Chef website where you can get more detailed information on the product, including the warranty. And should you already own a product, there are use and cares available on almost all of the products on our website. We also have a lot of different recipes on our website. Go to that, it lists them under different courses and even by the product. So if you did own our cooking blender, you can select it and it's going to give you a bunch of different recipes you can make in it. The newest way to buy a Pampered Chef is a shared rewards party. In a shared rewards party, everybody gets a discount. It starts as low as $100 at 2.5% and it goes all the way up to 25%. A shared rewards party only runs 8 days and you're not charged until that very last day. So this means if you're the first person to order and only have 2.5%, by the end of the party, you could have 25% off your full order. And this is another reason I recommend getting in touch with a consultant. That consultant could have a shared rewards party going on and they could give you the option to order off of it, and that means you could even get more savings off your order. And hosts still get a 10% discount for a year. Another way to buy Pampered Chef is by hosting your own virtual or in-home party. I find these work great when you have a really big wish list or you're wanting one of our big ticket items like the air fryer or the blender. By hosting your own, you can get them at a discount or even possibly for free. One of the recent changes to hosting your own party is that everybody's order is going to ship directly to them, and they no longer have to wait for the party to close for their orders to ship. When I was a host, I never liked having to deliver everybody's product. Now with direct ship, you don't have to do that anymore, and it's a lot easier and quicker. As the host, you're going to earn rewards. Free product value starts as low as $25 and it goes up. You can earn 50% off products. You can earn up to 30% off additional products. And every month we have a host special. Sometimes it's 60% off anything in the catalog, 60% off electronics, and we even have a double rewards month where you can earn a lot of free product. You'll also get 10% off for a year, and for every qualified booking off of your party, you'll get a 40% off item or set during their show. And if you have 3 qualified bookings, you'll get a $50 credit. And if you were thinking about becoming a consultant, you can earn a $25 or $50 credit, which you can use towards your consultant kit. One way to buy that a lot of people don't know about is via a registry. If you're getting married or maybe you're moving into your first home, this is a good way to help you outfit your new kitchen. I just ran one of these for a family member. Her daughter had just graduated from college and she's getting ready to move out into her own place, and she was able to get everything on her list. The way it works is you create a wish list of all the items you really want for your kitchen, and then the guests have the option to buy off of that list and have those sent directly to you, or they can purchase their own items and then you will earn the rewards from those purchases. Then once the party is done, you can take all your rewards and buy what's left on your wish list, and possibly even more. So a registry is there to help you, a friend, or even a family member. But one thing about Pampered Chef I love is that they're very charitable. If you have an organization that you're very passionate about and want to help support, you can always host your own fundraiser. Whether it's to help a school with new school uniforms, or I've done them for local pet shelters, Pampered Chef will donate a percentage of the party sales up to 15%. And you as the host will still get that month's host special and 10% off for a year. So it's a great way to help a local organization that you're passionate about. Another way to buy Pampered Chef that most people don't think about is by becoming a consultant. Our kits start as low as $99, and in that kit you'll get over $400 worth of product and paperwork. And if you hosted your own show, you can go and use your $25 or $50 kit credit towards that. Once you become a consultant, you'll get 20% off everything in the catalog, and during new seasons, you get 50% off the new product. In addition to a discount on new products, you can also earn it. I've been able to earn all the new products for the last 3 seasons. You'll also start at a 20% commission, and you can earn trips every year. I was buying Pampered Chef for 15 years before I finally became a consultant, and I look back on it and wonder, why didn't I do this sooner? It fits around my schedule. I can sit on my front porch while my kids are playing in the front yard and work my business from right there. If you join, it could go one of 2 ways. You could decide it's just not for you, and that's okay, you get to keep your kit. Or you could be like me and wonder, why didn't I try this sooner? If you have any questions or want to join, my links are in the description below. And if you were talking with somebody else, make sure to use their link. So those are the ways to buy Pampered Chef. No matter which way you choose, the one thing I do recommend is using your product. We do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so take it out, use it, and see if you like it. The benefit to having a consultant is that you can contact them if for any reason you don't like that product, and they can help walk you through the return process. In addition to the 30-day money-back guarantee, all of our products do have a warranty, which I showed you on the website. I do caution you though, always make sure to buy your products through either a Pampered Chef consultant or the Pampered Chef website. If you choose to go to a third party, like say eBay or even Amazon, those products are not going to come with the warranty that Pampered Chef offers you. What did we start with? I don't remember. So what is the best way to buy Pampered Chef? Truthfully, it's up to you. Whether you're looking to buy one product, outfit your whole kitchen, you have a charity you're really passionate about and want to help, or if you're getting married. That's why I wanted to do this video. There's so many different ways to buy Pampered Chef, and I wanted to make sure you understood all of them. If you want to learn more about products, I do demo and recipe videos on my channel so you can see them in action. I hope this video was helpful, and now you can decide what is the best way for you to buy Pampered Chef. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.